Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello guys, I'm Alradishan here and welcome to the fourth episode of Data Structures and Algorithms in Python course. Okay, sounds and smells funny. Today we're gonna discuss about recursion. So recursion, maybe you're here because tomorrow is your exam and you search it on YouTube like recursion like that. Okay, I don't care. So let us talk about recursion. So what's recursion? A way of solving a problem by having a function calling itself. Actually, it's a confusing one. Actually, normally I'm gonna give the full idea of recursion, and if somebody asks what is recursion, you can say way of solving a problem by having a function calling itself. That's our term. Recursion means function calling itself. That's all. So getting deep into it. It's like performing the same operation multiple times with the different inputs, and that's how recursion works. We will repeat the same process, but the main part is use different inputs, and the important point, the smaller inputs. The second time we repeat the process, we will use a smaller input. So in every time we try smaller to make the problem smaller. That's how recursion, breaking down a problem into smaller sub-problems, similar smaller sub-problems, then finding the solution. That's how recursion works. And the other main thing, the base condition is needed to stop recursion, otherwise infinite loop will occur. So whenever you going to write a recursive statement or recursive function, something like that or anything, and you must give a base condition to stop the recursion. So otherwise infinite loop will occur. So I'll give an example. Here we have the Russian doll. It's a nice doll, and if we open the top of the doll, and the similar doll will came up, and then we can open that doll too. Then smaller dolls will come, and at the end we will get a tiny doll. That here we have 4 Russian dolls. So we need a program to print like all the dolls are open. In Python we use the def command to declare a function, and this is just an example. We haven't studied the Python all syntax or all the things, and actually this course is not based on the deep of Python. It's basically about the data structures and algorithms, and eventually we'll study the Python. Okay, so def command is for declaring function. Here we have declared the function def open doll. In recursion, the name of the function is very important because we are using the name inside the function again. So def open doll, and the parameter is doll. You can use any name, or D, A, B, C, whatever. So this is think that all the numbers all the dolls are numbered. Maybe this is the fourth one, third one, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the parameter is 4. I'm giving because this doll is numbered as 4. If doll, we are going to open this is not the correct function. It's a basic function to get the idea of recursion. So if doll is equal 1 is the first doll. This is not the first doll. So print. So what we do, just go to the else, and here we have the same function again, open doll, but the parameter is different. Doll minus 1, 3. So not 3, else then again 2, no, then again 1, yes, print dolls are open. This is how it's a basic programming of actually going to higher level of programming. The recursion will be very confusing. First we have to try smaller programs, then increase the complexity of programming, and that's how we can learn recursion. So In this video, just about recursion, just a basic idea of recursion. So next, why recursion? So recursive thinking is very important. Actually, it's because we have to. There are some actually there are some cases where we need to break down bigger problems into smaller ones. That's why we need recursion. And if you can divide the problem into similar sub problem, we can only use the recursion whenever we can divide the problem into similar sub problem. So not all, there are some occasions we can use, but we can't use the recursion all the time. Okay, so the next is the prominent usage of recursion data structures like tree. In tree and graphs, the recursion is a main thing. The user that data structures uses the recursion a lot. So the next is used in many algorithms. So the divide and conquer, greedy, all the things uses the recursion. So I think you just got a basic idea about recursion, and in the next class, in the next part of the video, will come how the working of recursion. Okay, how we can write recursive statements, all the things will take in the next class. So thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Love you all.